Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-An'am, ayah number 111 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولو أننا نزلنا إليهم الملائكة ومخرج of our circling your lips but hop on your jaws the sound is short low this is lean so when you are attaching fatha with wow you are making the sound soft low an hamza is sharp attached with noon will get zipper of gunna is akmal so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time Na. For fatha, the sound is short. Na. The second one is 2 counts long. Naz. For fatha, open jaws attached with za. Za will get zip up for a khawa and it has speed and it is light. Nazzal. For fatha, open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get zip up the wasut. Na. Mad munfasil jaiz. You're making it 4 counts long but should not go into your nose. E for kasra give E sound. Lay, lean, making is soft. Lean means is to make something soft. So you are making the sound soft by joining this fatha with ya softly. Lay, he for kasra give E sound. Mul for dhamma circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get zip up the wasut. Ma, fatha is short. La mad muttasil wajib, making it 4 counts long without going into your nose. E for kasra give E sound. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Huwa, makhraj of always circling your lips for fatha open your jaws. Kal, kaf is light for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get zip up the wasut. La, fatha is very short. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hu for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Mul for dhamma circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get zip up the wasut. Mau. This is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with waw. Ta, 2 counts long, and the sound will be sharp of ta. Wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Ha is from your throat with hums for fatha open your jaws. Shaw, sheen, for fatha open jaws attached with raw. Raw will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Shaw and give the wasut on raw. Na, 2 counts long. A, ain from your throat nicely. Lay, lean, making it soft. Him, for kasra give E sound attached with mim. Mim will get zip off the wasut. Hukmuhu is har. Kul, for dhamma circular lips attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position because they were circled for kaf because it has dhamma on it. But as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Shay, this is lean, so you're making it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Eon, give kasra e sound and then give ikhfa. That is why ikhfa is heavy. For this ikhfa, you are lifting your tongue up nicely to say this heavy ikhfa. Eon, Qaf is heavy. For dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Bu, for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Lam, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. The sound of meme will go into your nose, but not the long vowel. Long vowel, the place of long vowel from where you will pronounce it is jove. Jove is a vacuum of your mouth. It has nothing, this long vowel, it has nothing to do with the nose. Ma, ga, 2 counts long. Nu, sorry, it is 2 counts long. Nu, for the circular, let's make it 2 counts long. Li, focus give E sound. You, for the circular lips attached with Hamza. As you will touch Hamza, your lips should be in a straight position and Hamza will cut off the sound very abruptly. You, me, focus give E sound. Nu, for Dhamma circle ellipse and make it 4 counts long. This is Mad Munfasil Jaiz. Il give Hamza sharp sound. For Kasra give E sound. Attach with Lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La Mad Munfasil Jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. Ay Hamza is sharp. After that, there is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah, yeah, it's soft for top on jaws. Sha. This long vowel because this is mad muttasil wajib. But it should not go into your nose. Make sure the long vowels are not going into your nose. Sha Allah. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with lafz jilala. Lafz jilala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Allah and Lafz Jalala is long by default. It is always long and it is 2 counts long. Even though if you cannot see the standing fatha, even then it is long. Allahu for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of pause circle in your lips, fatha upon jaws. La 2 counts long. Kin for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sipa gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ak Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sipa of hums whenever kaf is with sukoon. It will get hums. Ak, tha, tha, write the, engage the right makhraj of the, ra is heavy for fatha upon your jaws. Whenever it is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Here it is heavy. Home for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sipa of tawassut. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Yaj, yeah is soft for fatha upon jaws attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala and qalqala should be very nicely done. Yaj, j. You should not be very soft on the qalqala. Qalqala should be heard and should be pronounced very clearly. Yaj, j, yaj, sorry. Yaj, ha, yaj, ha for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Loon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. And definitely you are giving tawassut on noon because it is with sukoon now. ولو أننا نزلنا إليهم الملائكة وكلمهم الموتى وحشرنا عليهم كل شيء قبلا ما كانوا ليؤمنوا إلا أن يشاء الله ولكن أكثرهم يجهلون. وكذلك جعلنا ومخرج of vowel circling your lips for top and just ka for top and just the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for top and just the sound is short. Ja there should not be any escape of breath here or sound here. Jim is a majhura letter. Ja al ain for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Na 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Kul for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Li for kasra give e sound. Na for B Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. B for kasra, give E sound attached with ya. Ya is with tashdid, so give number. It's a jump of sound. Why we put this number here? Because to save these two yas. So to save these two yas, like we should be pronouncing these two yas. One ya is when it is attached with ba, and the other ya has kasratain. So both yas should be pronounced well. That's why this number is here. Nabi. But you are giving rakhawa too because ya has a rakhawa. It is a rakhwa letter. Biyin. Nabiyin. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Do. For dhamma circle ellipse attached with wow. And there is number on wow whenever ya and wow are with tashdid, you are giving number, and number is jump of sound just to save their pronunciation and to make sure that there are two yas and there are two vowels. Do one. And the other thing, other why we are doing number on wow, because we are saving to make it from mud letter. If we are not giving number, we might be making it long vowel, but it's not a long vowel. عدوا عدوا sh for fatha on jaws. Yeah, two counts long. Pi, ta is heavy. The ta is the heaviest letter in Quran, so make sure you are giving itbaq. Make sure you are making it extra heavy. Pi, two counts long. Nal for fatha on jaws attached with lam. Lam will get above the wasut. Yeah, Hamza is very sharp, and this ikhfa is light. And you are hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of seen, like your mouth should be ready to pronounce the letter seen, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is all about ikhfa. Yeah, C for kasra, give E sound. Well, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get above the wasut. Jin for kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sipa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni for kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. You for the circle ellipse and make it two counts long. He have from your throat with hums, make it two counts long. Ba for fatha upon jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sipa off. The wasut and ain should be from your throat. Blue God for Dhamma circle lips. The sound is heavy and short. Home for Dhamma circle lips attached with meme. We will get zip off the wasut. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. And hukmuhu is har. E for kasra, give E sound. La, two counts long. Ba for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get zip off the wasut. And hukmuhu is har. Ding. Wait. بعض God is heavy, but this ikhfa is light. So when you are making ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. Tongue, your tongue should be in a straight position. So بعض God is heavy, but this ikhfa is light. So when you are saying this ikhfa, your tongue should be in a straight position. Zuh for the circle your lips attach with kha. Kha will get sipa off rakhawa and it is heavy. Zuh ru, ra is heavy for the circle your lips. Fal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sipa off the wasut. Qaw, qaf is heavy, and this is lean. So when you are attaching fatha with waw, you make sure you are making the sound soft. Qawli for kasra, give E sound. Ru, line is heavy for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ru, ra is heavy For Dhamma circle, let's make it 2 counts long. Ra, and this is mad awad, so make it 2 counts long, and ra will be heavy when you will stop as well because there will be fatha on ra. غرورا ومخرج of vowel circle in your lips of a top and jaws allow make a lean soft شا مد متصل واجب you're making it 4 counts long and the long vowel should not go into your nose for hamza the sharp sound is sharp for fatha open jaws the sound is short Roab Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached ba vowel gets if of shidda. The makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Roabu for the circle lips. Ka for fatha upon jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. A ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lu. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon on ha. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arad li sukoon. And of course, this sukoon will bring rakhawa on her. ما فعلوه ف for fatha open jaws the sound is short the dal is light for fatha open jaws attached to ra will be heavy هم for the circle ellipse attached ميم will get sipab توسط and حكمه إظهار هو مخرج of vowel circle in your lips for fatha open jaws ما 2 counts long يف yeah is light for fatha open jaws attached fa will get sifa of hams and rakhawa يفتح that is sharp sound for fatha open jaws urun because of this verb we are giving temporary sukoon here this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 this is mad arid lis sukoon and of course this has bring tawassut on noon because this noon is with sukoon now وكذلك جعلنا لكل نبي عدوا شياطين الإنس والجن يوحي بعضهم إلى بعض زخرف القول غرورا ولو شاء ربك ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون ومخرج واو is circling your lips for thought when your jaws li for kasra give e sound the sound is short thus that is light but saw will be heavy صاد will get sifa of rakhawa and it has safir and it is heavy thus ghain will be heavy make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz the long vowel will be heavy too because it is attached with a heavy letter. Gha e for kasra give e sound. Lay this is soft. This is lean because when you're attaching fatha with ya, you're making the sound soft. Lay he for kasra give e sound. F hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. E for kasra E sound, the sound is sharp. The for fatha upon jaws, the sound is sharp and short. Tul for dhamma circle lips attached with lam will get sipab tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws, the 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La 2 counts long. You for dhamma circle lips attached with hamza. Hamza will give it abrupt cut off the sound you ni for kasra give e sound nu for the circle lips make it 2 counts long na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short gil for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut 2 counts long and the sound of Hamza is sharp, but as you will go to Jawf, the sound will be soft. The long vowel is from your Jawf. Kha is heavy for kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. T for kasra, give sharp sound, and the sound is short. Wa for makhraj of waw, circle lips, fatha open jaws. Li for kasra, give E sound. Ya, keep ya soft, and fatha open jaws, attach it to ra. Ra will get rakhawa. It has tawassut, always tawassut. Ra will get tawassut, and it will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Waliya, wow, dot is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached. Wow, this is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with wow. Wow, who for the circle your lips, the sound is short. Wa for makhraj of wow, circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Li for kasra, give e sound. Yaq for fatha upon jaws attached. Qaf, qaf will get sipaf. Qalqala, this qalqala is heavy. This letter is heavy, and you are giving qalqala. Yaqa, for fatha upon jaw. Edi for kasra, give e sound. Ra is light here. Fu for the circle, let's make it 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long. Hum for the circle lips, and after that there is ikhfa, idgham, adgham shafawi. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because there is akmal gunna. Hum muqa for the circle lips attached with qaf. Qaf will be heavy, and there will be qalqala. Muqa, ta is very sharp sound. The sound is short for fatha open jaws. Eri for kasra, give e sound, and ra will be light here because whenever ra is with kasra it is light. Foon, because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. وَلِتَصْغَى إِلَيْهِ أَفْئِدَةُ الَّذِينَ ولتصغى إليه أفئدة الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وليرضوه وليقترفوا ما هم مقترفون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.